Annie from Montrose has a question about water management.
Yeah, she recently bought a 1935 pier and beam home in Montrose. And, well, Annie writes, it's on a fairly level lot, and the crawl space is noticeably lower than its surroundings. You probably know where this story is going. Yep. As you can imagine, Imelda highlighted this deficit, and we now have standing water under the house. Check this out.
That is standing water.
You know, Annie, this could almost be defined as a water feature. You've got enough under there. All right. Okay. And he said, we're using a shop vac to slowly get the water out, but we're interested in solving this problem permanently. We don't currently have gutters on the house, and there's no underground drainage. So Annie wants your advice. How do you fix something like this?
Only one way.
Okay, I'm going to guess you're going to raise the level.
That's right.
Okay, so what would you use to raise it?
Bank sand.
Okay.
Do a sand. Bank sand's the cheapest sand you can get. And just have it blown or put underneath the house, because it always has to be higher under the house, and so it slopes away so it doesn't puddle. That's it. You can use sump pumps. You can do. By the way, buy a cheap sump pump and don't use a shop vac. Yeah, that's a little.
Your
much.
Neighbors will thank you.
But yeah, you have to bring the level up. Period.
All right,
that's it. Nothing else.
That's not really a do-it-yourself kind of project, does it? Have a big old truck of dump?
No, actually, I know Due West used to do it. They did a job for me once where they blew a bunch of sand under there. The gunite machines they use for swimming pools. Sure. People can blow sand under there, or I've even seen it done with 5-gallon buckets and guys crawling in and out. Not that I was going to do it, but it can be done that way.
I'm thinking you want to find out of the truck.
Or start throwing a shovel and sand.
Annie, all depends how you feel about your significant other. Get busy. Yeah. All right. You get busy. Send us your question. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and fill out that Ask Tom form. There's a button right there on the homepage. Click it and send it in. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.